How to delete all contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All besides Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud. Scroll down and turn off the Contacts feature as shown. Then, tap on Delete from My iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily delete all contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.